think there's nothing in the world more beautiful than falling in love. But falling in love for the right reasons, falling in love for the right purpose, falling in love. Falling in love. When you fall in love, what is there to compromise about?
Yeah. Under pressure, I have to tell you something. But how's the weather?
I realized I did not have a proper intro to the video, so this is sort of the proper intro to the video. Hyderabad has been beautiful lately. It's been raining non-stop, which means the air quality index is amazing. It's getting cold, which is weird, but it is getting cold. So this video is sort of the compilation of all the beautiful moments that I've managed to capture in this gorgeous weather, and that one birthday celebration that I mentioned in the last video. So I hope you enjoy.
That's not for me to decide.
Let's get married. Or am I speaking too soon? Is the thought too scary? Let's take a dip in the love lagoon. Oh, I can tell that you're feeling the same way. Tell me 3 words, I know you know that one phrase. I'll care for you always, for you always. We will spend our days dancing in the sunlight. For once I'm thinking things might end up alright. It would be light, ceiling made of glass, counter space, and ashtray for when grandma comes to visit me. Space to think, green apples in a bowl. I could settle down, let it be something on my own. And I might have to get a real job to get the couch that I want. And I think I could be happy there. Read more, rise early on a Sunday morning. Play my records, dance freely on the hardwood floors. I could settle down, have something awkward.
But just want to put attention on the fact that I'm dressed so Kabuli wala core today. It's just this huge ass like khadi kurti and then it's just like really flared jeans. Oh my god. I don't know, I'm really liking this. What I have termed as Kabuli wala core these days. It's just so comfortable as a whole. And I can hear my father calling me, so I have to go. See ya.